Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I'll show you how to connect this particular Boya by WM4 Pro K2 mic to install with the DSLR camera and how to work with that. Okay. So here it is my DSLR camera Nikon D5200. Okay, so with this one I'll attach this particular Boya by WM4 Pro K2 model for any shooting purpose. Okay, so let me open this particular bag. This pouch bag is a carry pouch bag one. Okay, so in my last videos I have shown this particular unboxing of this Boya BY-WM4 Pro K2 model, and also in last video I have shown you how to install this mic with Samsung phone or any Android phone by using 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay, so over here these are the components I got. There are two mics. Okay, one 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter, and another one is also one but a 90-degree bend, this one, and another, this is the DSLR attacher. Along with that, some pouches, bags, and two clips to attach the mic like this. Okay, so I have attached the mic last day over there like this. I will attach there. So these are the things I got in this particular packages. So this one is the one transmitter, this one is another transmitter, and this one is the receiver. So I put aside this bag as to demonstrate it better. Okay, so with the receiver, this one is the receiver. With the receiver I'll attach this particular attacher with my DSLR camera. So let us remove this clip from the back. This is very easy. Okay, so this is attached like a clamp over here. Just remove this at the downward towards the switches. Okay, now attach this one, this particular attacher over here very carefully. Okay, so okay, I was attaching at the reverse side, so this has been attached. Okay, all right, so now this I'll attach with my DSLR camera. Okay, so it has been attached. Okay, so the receiver has been attached with my DSLR camera. Now I will switch it on. Okay, this is the power button of my DSLR camera over here. So now it is turned on. Alright, now how to connect? The connection is that I have to attach this 3.5 millimeter jack to 3.5 millimeter jack from this particular line out to, there is a mic port in my DSLR. Okay, so if you can see over here in this arrangement, I'll put on a torch over here to show you guys properly. So there is a mic. Okay, there is some auxiliary out, there is some GPS, and another one is the HDMI port is there. Okay, so right here, check it, there is a mic, there is a auxiliary out, there is a HDMI, and another one is the GPS. Okay, so I'll put the other end of this 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter jack towards the mic. Okay, so see here I have attached with the mic section. Okay, So this is the installation. Now I'll check whether these are recording or not. Alright. So let me go to the video of this particular DSLR camera. Okay. Now see here, I'll try to talk with another. I'll attach one mic with any one of the transmitter given over here. So I'm choosing this particular transmitter to talk with and check the connection. Okay. So now I'll turn it on, and on the receiver section I have to turn the switch on like this. Over here there is a switch. Okay. So this is turned on. Right now what I'll do, I'll have to pair this particular transmitter with the receiver, and how to pair is that I'll have to press this pair button of the transmitter along with this volume rocker of this receiver simultaneously to pair it. Okay. So let us pair. So I have to press both the switches at the same time for 3 seconds. So after pairing, check over there, this particular receiver will be blinking like that, and at the transmitter this particular LED will blink after each 2.5 seconds. It will be blinking. Okay. So it is now connected. So now let me check whether this camera is working, this mic is working or not. So let me check it. So now I will shoot it by using this camera. Okay. So it is taking a still. So now I will record. The recording has been started on my screen. Okay. So I will check now. Hello, testing. I am testing whether this Boya mic is working or not on my DSLR camera. Okay. So DSLR camera is still recording over there, and I am speaking on this particular mic attached with this particular transmitter. Okay. This is the transmitter. Okay. So I will be talking with it. Hello, testing whether this particular Boya mic is working on this DSLR Nikon D5200 or not. Okay. So my test has been complete. Now I'll finish this recording on this DSLR camera by pressing this switch. Okay. So this has been stopped. Now I'll check whether this particular video has been clearer or not. So I'll play it. Okay. Okay, so over here the test is successful. This Boya mic is working very fine with this particular DSLR camera. Okay, so that was the test today, and this was how to attach this Boya BY-WM4 PRO-K2 model with my DSLR, and it was successful. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like these videos, put the like button on this video section, and to get regular updates on these videos, on this type of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.